HYPR Stock Thursday. Is it a buy or not? Watch this 1-minute video till the end, find out. I'm looking at Hyperfine stock. I love the name, but yeah, it's 8% up. From what I can see, it's just we had like crazy extension and then a little correction. Then today we're up 8%, which is interesting. Context, I have delivered thousands of correct predictions over the last 4 years, spent thousands on courses and mentors, documented all of it. And now, generally speaking, Hyperfine, it's in a bullish range. That doesn't necessarily mean that I'm gonna immediately buy, by any means, no. But that does mean that I'm very open-minded for buying this market. So, meaning, let me come here. Hyperfine stock analysis, quite simple. I must see a retracement, like quite a hard one, you know, quite a hard one, and then breaks above it, and then is when I really have the green light to take things up. This might be like so cliche and just so small, but it makes all the difference. And if you want to make more money trading in a simple and very lean way, then click the first link in the description. It's a free newsletter.